Hi, I'm Angela Teresa Collins, 917-940-7436. First, you push your hair back because I always start with a moisturizer. So from LA Colors, I've gotten this Colossus. It seems a little dark, but we'll blend it in as best as we can. It gives me more color, that's for sure. And I go towards the eyes. Start with the eyeshadow. Let me clean beauty. So I got a lot of the browns. It's almost like putting on foundation for your eye makeup. The eyes are the soul. So I just want to enhance that. And of course with this palette, it's going to be very easy. Enhance your liner when you put on liner. Always have lots of brushes. Q-tips are very good for that. When you get a little extra Q-tip, and you can do this. Complete the eye look. We all know, time for mascara. This would be my lengthening mascara. And it's from Smoke and Mirrors. So this is the mascara. It's a little, your eyelashes start at your eye. To the cheeks, make a glow. You even make a line matte thing. Fresh one of these. I'm doing this because that will tone down. I want to blend it. This is blending. My mother was voted Miss Kissable Lips. I'm glad that I have her shaped lip. And you'll see, look at this gloss. And you do that. A quick little, and that way, see the lipstick's here, and it doesn't get on your front teeth. Here's a full face. And here you are, in your kissable lips.